Hey, good morning, good morning. We are live from the Nutty Closet. We are live from the Nutty Closet. Let's go. Good morning, David Gabriel, Nathan Ramirez, Timbo, Futures Engineer. Good morning. NP, every time I see your name, I just immediately know that I need to open the clock. I love it, NP. I love it. Hey, good morning, John. Good morning. Good to see you. Peter Schapp. Good morning, Peter Schapp. Good to see you. R5 Studios, Goan Trades, Futures Engineer. Let's go. Visual. Good morning. UCLA Trades. Ripping and dipping. Good morning. All right, boys. Let's get a good day. Hopefully Trump doesn't tweet today or have a wild interview or something. Hopefully we can have a little bit more of a normal price action here. So, man, I'm telling you what, this market is on something. We did get I got a really nice trade in this morning. On my Tradeify accounts, this trade right here. We had a big, look at this rip lower. I mean, this is crazy. So the opening, by the way, so we need to let's just go back to yesterday. Yesterday, we ended stream around this area where we were consolidating. We were just going sideways. I was kind of suspicious we're just going to roll over, but we actually did make it up. We almost closed the gap here, but we did. We closed the gap before the end of the session. So this was right here. We closed the gap before the end of the session. It was after 4 o'clock. And then we literally opened last night at the 600s. Look at that. All the way up here, the 600s. And then we just had a slow move lower. And then around 2 o'clock, was it midnight? Something like that. We had a move from the 400s, 450s, all the way down to the 240s. So almost a 200-point rip lower. And then we kind of recovered by the dip. I got this trade, my 490, basically entry here at the 370s. My first profit target was 392s, and my second one was up here at the 450s. So, 80-point move. Now we wait. We're going to be trading our Apex accounts. I am done trading my Tradeify accounts for the day. We're going to lock in that 490 per account and call it good. Good morning, DL. Makre, good morning. Nonstop Trader, good morning. Goan Trades, let's get it. Jazz, good morning. Any giveaways today? I don't know. I don't know, man. Maybe not. We wait, we see. Let's wait and see. Oh, market is open, folks. 9:30, market is open. All right, let's switch to the 1-minute chart here. I don't know why my Ninja Trader for some reason has a different font, like on some things this morning. I don't get it. Like what the deal is, but I don't like it. Hey, Amelia Stitcher, good morning. Good to see you. Trusty Tran, good morning. Hey, Amakri, you need $900 to pass my 150K combine. Hey, take your time, Amakri. Take your time, man. Those 150s are Those are no joke. Those can pretty... All right, let's see what the market does here. Is it going to be a Ripperooski again at the open? Last couple days, we've had a big move at the open. We have the 400s here. Pretty choppy open here. Not much happening. 1 minute into the opening. Actually, 2 minutes. 2 minutes in. Sorry. So, I mean, right now, this is not looking like... Hang on. I got to make sure I got all my stuff set up here. We're on micros. We are doing everything we should. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, looks like we're going to push higher now. Oh dear. Trying to think if I want to take this long setup. I'm probably going to do this. All right, we're in. This is a little bit of a questionable entry, but need to have my stop all the way down here. I am going to look to just take some off here. Come on, don't fake me out. Okay, target filled. Now we're at least out on half. Now we just let it go. Hopefully we can break above the 480s. That would be ideal here. 480 break would really, I think, would give us an opportunity to get above the 500s, but need to be patient here and allow this thing to do its thing. Yes, 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news, I'm aware. Thank you. Market is rigged. Very likely. Ace Undercover, how we doing? Good morning. Ryan Lorello, Dave Mack, good morning. By the way, Dave Mack, appreciated your email last night. Did not get a chance to respond, but very well, very true. I appreciated that. So, Queek Gaming, Darren Koss, Travis Lambert, Ryan Lorello, good morning. K Trader, good morning. M Susan, good morning. Hubert, good morning. ABEX getting slow with payments, Faisal? What makes you say that? All right, come on. Punch through the 465s here. If we can punch through the 465s, go, baby. Come on, do it. Yes, go. Just keep going, man. Just keep going. Just keep going. Let's go. All right, I'm going to take some off right there. Kind of at this resistance area at the 475s. And now we just keep our... I'm going to move my stop to right here. And we shall wait. Let's be patient. This is definitely an area of resistance here, the 470, 480 area. So don't need to be too greedy. Hey, Trading Ever After in the house. Good morning. Good to see you. You will question everything once you trade meme coins and 0 DTEs. Yes, you will. You need to question your sanity if you start trading meme coins. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. Number 492s. Yeah, if we can get through the 480s here, I'm telling you, if we get through the 480s, I like the 500s. So just need to try. I'm just going to try to be patient here. Allow it a little bit of room here. If we can get through the 480s, I like the 500s. Go, baby. Through the 480s now. Come on. Just keep going, would you? Would you please? This is going to be difficult. Got to get up through here. Got to get up through the 480s. If I was being very conservative here, I'd just get out right here at the 480s. But I'm going to try and get it. Try and allow it to try and push through this. If we can push through it. Hey, Kellyanne in the building. Good morning, Kellyanne. How's it going? TCG Andy, good morning. Laser for Trade, good morning. Done for the day. 41.65 across my accounts. I'm going to just wait for a good setup. Hey, that's awesome, Faisal. I love to see it. Good morning. Good morning, Reset. Thumper, good morning. Okay, here we go. 500s. Boom. Let's go. Okay, I'm just going to take my profit right there and call it good. Call it good. Let's go. 50-point move. Boom. All right, we got a phantom order here. Don't panic. No need to no worries. All right, let's go. This thing is just gonna, it might take out the 600s the way this is going. Look at this move. Whoa, 520s now. Hey, Orlando, good to see you. I saved my XFA and Combine from a bad Fed day yesterday back in the green. Let's go, Orlando. That's awesome. DL, yeah, 560. I mean, yeah, I have the 6. We have the 550, 60 area there. And then obviously the 600 is going to be an important area as well. We shall wait and see. But wow, I might jump in here again, depending what I see. Very, very bullish here at the open. That was a beautiful 3-minute opening range trade. Beautiful. We were barely in any drawdown. I mean, we were in, I don't know, were we maybe $30 in drawdown at one point? But, oh, I love those trades. They just work. Don't need to sweat it at all. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. 20 losing trades in a row? Oh, no, Matty Matt. No, please, no. Don't tell me so. I'm sorry, Matty Matt. That sucks. Ouch. No real-time data on NinjaTrader. Are you having the same problem? I am not. I am not. I don't have any issues with my data right now. I've run up to 20K in profit. Matty Matt, was that a revenge? That was that a revenge? That sounds like a revenge trade. You're like, oh, watch this. If you're gonna do this, let's do it right. I've been there, man. I have been there. Oh, I'm sorry, Matty Matt. I'm sorry. All right, market. I am getting interested. I mean, I want to be careful here because how much we've gone up, but if I see something here, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna scale down. We have plenty of time before the news, so anything above this, I'm getting in. Okay, we're in, folks. We are in. Let's just pump this baby right back up. Just like that. Booyah. Booyah. All right, just give me that double top and we'll be good. Why not? Just do it. Do it, market. Let's have an easy day today. Come on. Don't tease me. Don't tease me now. Yeah, those Trump tweets, the Trump tweets and stuff right now, this is something we need to get used to as traders. We need like that. I am definitely no longer going to be trading without, if you're trading with mental stop losses, that might be a problem with Trump tweets. Because some of those mental stop losses, it's pretty difficult when you got Trump tweeting. All right, now I might just kill this. A little bit concerned here that we did not break above and make new highs. Let's see. Come on. Just need to retest those highs and we're out of this trade. Retest the highs. Come on, just pop it. And it's starting to struggle here. 10 o'clock news as well. Do I just get out of this? I hate seeing a green trade go red. I probably should just get out of this one. But I feel like it's only one micro. That's why I'm giving it some time. All right, I like it. We're good. Come on. You just got to pump it right now. Come on, market. It's the news coming out. Starting to get annoying. A design knob in the building. Timbo in the building. Good morning. Bring Biden back. Citizen Zero, good morning. Commish 77, good morning. Can someone create a Trump tweet indicator that pops up his tweets on our charts? Commish, I am dead serious. I would pay for that. Like something on my chart that will just automatically show up as soon as Trump makes a tweet. I actually would pay for that. Someone needs to create that. I'm not even joking. Someone here in chat is going to be smart enough to create that. I know it. You can do it, folks. Maybe something like that already exists, but I really would pay for that. Dead serious. All right, here we go. There we go. That's what we were looking for. Take me out, baby. Take me out. Oh my gosh. I need to stop talking. As soon as I open my mouth, the market pulls back. Unreal. Come on, market. Just go. Golf Guy Mike, good to see you. Unusual Whales has a Trump tracker on their website. Unusual Whales. Isn't Unusual Whales in the chat? Okay, hit me. Thank you. We did it. We did it. We did it. Back-to-back green trades in a row. Up 4K on the day. Man, I love it. I love it. I love it. This is how I love starting my day. Now it's becoming a question of, do we continue? Riz is flogging a Trump tweet. We need a Nutty Bar talking indicator. I don't know, man. The algos are out there. Oh, there we go. Breaking through that 520 level now. Here we go. Honestly, on this move here, I was another great entry right there at the 504s. I was obviously already in a trade, but this was a pretty nice entry here for a pullback entry. All right, 540s. This is starting to look like we're just going to close that gap again. We're going to retest that 600 level. Where we go from there, who knows? But I keep saying this and I keep thinking this every day. Every day that we go higher in the morning, I'm telling you guys, one of these days, I don't know if it's going to be today, but I'm starting to get the drift that it's going to be sooner rather than later. One of these days, we are going to get a day where we just go higher. We are not going to see, like, it's just going to be from start to finish, we just go higher all day long. It is going to happen. It's going to happen soon. I can just feel it. I might be wrong, but I'm just saying it seems like we are due. But let's see. I am not going to chase this anymore. By the way, we have news in 8 minutes, guys. News in 8 minutes, so be careful. I feel the opposite. One of these days, the buy the dip is going to end the market, and the market will trend lower 700 points without the V shape. Well, but Peter, I feel like we've gotten that. Didn't we? I mean, I guess we didn't really, like, last Monday. Yeah, we did get that V shape move. You're right. You're right. We did. The thing is, like, the market just always goes higher. Like, if you look at history in time, it just seems like eventually the odds that the dips will be bought are just so much higher than, but it will probably happen. You're probably right. At some point, you are right. It will probably happen. It doesn't feel like this move up is based on confident and exuberant buys. Feels like shorts covering. It could be. I do see. I mean, we have decent volume, but I mean, this is just another crazy rip higher at the open. We've seen this movie before. This has happened quite a bit in the last. Like, let's look here. We need to switch to the 2-minute chart. I keep forgetting I'm not. But right here, we had a big pump higher, and then we consolidated. But yesterday, we really didn't have a big move lower, like we have in the past. But it also didn't grind higher all day either. Not like I'm talking about, but I don't know. We'll see. We shall wait and see. But right now, it's looking very, very bullish. We are all the way back up to the 550s. This is where I struggle a little bit with what I should do. Should I continue to push these accounts? Or just lock it in and call it a day? I feel like my thing is I am going to push these Apex accounts a little bit. I do want to push them. If I get him across, that would just. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give him a chance. If I see a good setup, we're gonna stick around. If we see a good setup, we're gonna take it. And if it's a loss, it's a loss. The main thing is, as long as we don't chase the market, and as long as we don't do anything stupid, I am okay with taking a loss. That is always what I ask myself is, am I okay taking a loss? And I am. I'm okay taking a loss, but I'm not chasing this one. I mean, this is just going straight up. If you are long, there's no reason to get out except for the news. We do have news in 5 minutes, but very, very bullish here. Basic came down, tested the VWAP, And right here, I have a level right here at the 408s. Bounce right off of that, and we have now moved 150 points higher and pretty much straight up. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Yeah, Grant, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to push it in a sense that I'm chasing any trades. I don't want to chase any trades. Don't want to chase any trades, but if I see a good setup, I am going to take it. If I can get these accounts to like $500 to $800 profit, then I will stop for the day. Do I work to get payouts twice a month on Apex, Lewis? I mean, right now, no. I mean, no. Right now, I'm just focusing. I'm trying to get to that payout threshold, and then once we're at the payout threshold, my strategy, not really my strategy won't change, but how I take, I'm going to really focus on trying to get $100 to $150 per day. That is it. Once I lock in $150 per day, I will stop and basically try to accumulate 100 to 150 per day, which means we can pay ourselves every 8 days, you know, approximately $800 times 6 accounts, which is close to $5,000 per 8 days. That is my goal. So that really is what I want to focus on with my Apex accounts. Good morning, Black Beauty. The rise of day traders. Yeah, get out of town with that garbage. All right, 560s. Yep, 566. We hit it. Very nicely done. All right, I want to see what happens here. I mean, this is a crazy. Look at this. Look at the 15-minute chart, guys. Look at this 15-minute chart. This is crazy. 2 green candles just straight up. You do not want to get short. Not yet. And then we have the 600 level right here. This is going, I mean, this could also be the area it pulls back, but I have it, because the 600 is also a even level, that's also why I kind of have that, but let's see. Are you afraid of the impact AI will have on us as traders? Nah, not really. It doesn't matter. There's going to be opportunities. Maybe you have to adapt a little bit, but doesn't concern me. All right, let's see. Can we get a pullback? Well, so we do have news coming out here in a couple minutes. There you go. News came out. Looks bullish. We just went higher. Now, all the way back up. We're going to take out this 600 level right now. Wow. What a crazy move, guys. Wow. There she goes through the 600s. She ripping today. Ain't no messing around with the bulls today. Ay, 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 ay. What a crazy rip. I'm a little afraid of the impact it will have on us people. Our replacement, I don't think you have to worry, to be honest. See, here's the thing. The thing you have to remember with the market is there's always an other side to a trade. So if everyone was to use AI, AI wouldn't work anymore. Get it? Like if everyone was to use AI with the same mentality and approach, it wouldn't work. All right, 580s. Let's see. I'm very curious what happens here with the 600s. This is not tradable. We have to wait. Like we are so far away. We're 100 points away from the EMA. We have to allow this to, we really need this to consolidate. We need this to consolidate sideways a little bit. Something. We need something, some kind of pullback consolidation, because this is just crazy. Market is crazy today. Crazy bullish. Hey, M. Susan. So just get in so we all get a pullback. If you know, you know. You know I would usually do that, but today I'm not in a sacrificial mood. Sorry. What indicator are those red horizontal lines? They're just, I just manually put these in. These are just, I put these levels in every morning or every couple mornings, so there's no indicator on those. All right, market. Got it. Look at how, look at the, it touched the level here, the 408, and it went straight to the next level at the 600s. Unreal. 200-point move. Wow. Hey, thank you, Roger S. We love to see it. Could someone tell us what's the name of the indicator that shows lines of session high and session low? Uamala, that is the Trade Devil Indicator's initial balance. Initial balance is what it's called. There is a link down in the description below. If you use the code NUTTY10, it gets you 10% off as well. I do appreciate the support. Thanks for everyone for supporting the channel. Okay, market, are we just going to keep ripping straight up? I really want this to consolidate. I want it to go sideways, even pull back a little bit from here. If we just rip right through this 600 now, I mean, I don't really know what to do other than just wait. Can't really trade this. Look at that. It actually might just go again. What are we doing here? Look at that. That is crazy. Ugh. All right, we just wait. Does TopStep X work on Replicanto? No, it does not. But TopStep X has their own trade copier built in, so... Hey, Top Secret Leverage, thank you. I do... There's nothing better than being green. There's just nothing better. Maybe... I actually thought about it. Maybe we could trade... We could also trade our 50K Apex accounts that we haven't touched yet. Maybe we'll do that too, I guess. We'll see. Look at this market. Why? Why do you do this, market? Just keep going straight up without us. I swear I heard yesterday Trump has banned Bud Light and natural ice. Oh, you want to connect Top Step X with Apex? Yeah, that's not possible. I wish you could too, UCLA Trades. Honestly, if Top Step would allow a Tradeovate connection to Ninja Trader, I would get 5 Top Step accounts. I really would. Like, but they don't allow it, so I don't really, I don't know, I'm just not interested. As long as Wendy's isn't banned, I'm good. All right, can we get a pullback, please? It's crazy. And we just continue to bleed higher above the 600s now. And this just doesn't look like we're going to get an opportunity to get in here. But you know it's coming. You know how we can guarantee that there is one thing we could do to guarantee a pullback. There's one thing we could do. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I don't recommend though. Say again. Diego, ever had any issue using Replicanto with the account's dashboard? Just asking because 2 days in a row, my trades weren't copied. No, I have not, Diego. I mean, that's what I use. I have the affordable indicator account dashboard. Now, I don't use the trade copier feature from affordable indicators, but then I have Replicanto, what I use to copy my trades. I have not had any issues. Make sure you have the Replicanto set up correctly. Non-stop trader. I'll sacrifice myself and I'll hop on long so you'll get a pullback. If you know, you know. I mean, look at it. It just keeps going. 630s. I didn't even know what to do here. Unbelievable. 640s. 100%. If we buy right here, this is going to be the top. I almost want to do it. I want to do it almost for a scientific experiment. But I'm not going to do it. Okay, yeah, that's weird, Diego. Are you saying so it just doesn't copy trade? Make sure in your Replicanto, make sure you have the correct symbol selected. I've done that in the past where I don't have the correct symbol selected for my copy trading. So make sure you have the correct symbol selected in your Replicanto copy trader. And you have to have your, I assume you have Replicanto open. You have to make sure it's open. If you close the window, it won't work. Is it $300 for Replicanto now? I didn't think so. Oh, we got Patrick. Oh, hang on, folks. Hey, how we doing, Mr. Patrick?
You know, just living the dream over here. Up big on the day. How are you doing? You're green.
We are green. It's been a great morning. Great morning. We got in at the 450s and
okay.
We got out at the 505s. And yeah, we locked it in. We got about $4,000 in profit total. So,
450 up to the fucking 500s. Look at that.
that's right.
Breaking out right there. You must be watching my live stream on the side, you know.
I picked up a couple things when I was there.
I like it. Hey, I told you you're gonna come here and we're gonna turn it around, baby. Remember you said you were in a bit of a slump too.
That's true. That's true. I definitely am trading better. I will agree.
I like it.
I love it. How I
EDH and then you leave with a little bit bigger.
That's right. That's right. How was your morning?
I'm up like 26,000.
Jeez. You're killing it. Hey. Yeah, by the way, congratulations.
For this month.
Congratulations on the $40,000 payout approval.
Be in your video coming up.
I will see if I can fit you in. I'll see.
You know what's gonna be weird is like, what are you gonna talk about this year? Like, now I'm just getting all these payouts and stuff. Like, what do you?
I'll find something, Pat. Don't worry. I'm just kidding.
Gotta watch out for Nutty Bar, the investigator over here.
No, you're killing it, man.
People on the chat were talking, saying you were up big on the day, so happy to see that. Always good to see the team winning.
That's right. And, I love it.
There you go. How about that 80% that 80% deal right now with Apex?
Amen. NBT code. I've heard best code in the industry.
No. DW code's the best code. Come on.
I love it.
Just think about it like this. At the end of the day, Top Step is very much red on the day. And
are they? Don't tell me they were. Don't tell me they went short. Not again.
Nutty Bar. They pulled a Nutty Bar. I was like, they're literally trading like Nutty Bar right now, trying to short at the fucking top. And it got short at 570.
We need a beep. We need a beep button. I need to start. I'm going to invent a beep button so when you call me, I have a beep button ready. You're too much.
Use the code PW for the best deals always, and I'll talk to you later.
See ya. Crazy guy. We are going to have to censor now. We need a censor. Unbelievable. I apologize to any kids watching. I do try to keep this family friendly. Oh, too funny. All right, boys. Okay, now maybe we get a pullback. If we get a pullback back down to like the 600 area, I mean, I don't see a reason not to jump in here, but we do need to get a pullback. I would love to see a pullback and a consolidation here. But we need a bat phone. Yes, we do. Let's go. Hey, Patrick's killing it. He got approved for another $40,000 payout. Jeez. I don't know what he's definitely killing it. We gotta give him his flowers. Hey, take care, Kellyanne. Oh, it's too funny. Yeah, the trading bromance we never knew we needed. Oh man, it's too funny. Wait, use TDU's Devil Trade Copier? Oh, wow. I didn't even know that the Trade Devil indicators, I didn't even know that they had a trade copier. What? Interesting. All right, getting a pullback. Everybody calm down. Maybe we get another entry here around the 600s. Maybe. But right now, this is just so bullish. I want to be careful. A lot of times what we see when we have this overextended move higher, usually we get a little bit of an overextended pullback, but not always. There are times where if it's so bullish, we get these micro pullbacks is what I call them. Just these little micro pullbacks, and it just goes straight up. If that happens, we're probably just going to sit here and watch it go, because I'm not going to jump in here. We're not going to pull a top step. Does the 30% P&L apply to eval accounts? Nonsense TV? No, it does not. So the 30% consistency rule is only for your funded accounts. On the evals, you can make as much money as you want in a day, but be aware of the trailing drawdown. You can pass in one day as well. So All right, market. This is going to be interesting. If we just go straight up from here, the more that we just go straight up, the more I am inclined to just, I don't want to walk away again. I don't want to walk away this early though. But we'll see. I think we just need to be patient. We just need to be patient. Instead of top step, they should rename it to bottom step. I mean, poor top step. You gotta. By the way, I heard 0-Day J is going to be on Top Step TV today. Is that true? I heard someone mention it somewhere in a chat. Good for him. Good for him. Yeah, John, you tell me about it, man. By the way, so I've been hearing and seeing a couple different people talk about it. That Top Step TV is increasing their limit on, like, their caps on their sim account. But I'm like, okay, why would they do that? Like, someone explain to me why they would do that. Like, because they're taking people to a live account with like $7,000 to $10,000 in profit on their XFAs. Like, okay, or my question is, what would be? I'm confused, because if they can take you live at any point, then why would a cap matter? Or what am I missing? Yes, I did see that Rafa blew his live account, but his live account, it was pretty low balance for a while, and he's taken a ton of payouts from that. So, I mean, Rafa was killing it. He was killing it. What happened to my take profit trader accounts, Kirk? Hey, Kirk, way to bring the house down. Way to bring the vibes down, Kirk. I'm just kidding. No, those take profit trader accounts, we had a Nutty Bar glitch, and they disappeared. They disappeared into thin air. I call it the Nutty Bar glitch. Sometimes it happens. When Nutty Bar makes dumb trades, they have a tendency to disappear. It's very weird. Still being investigated. I thought the cap was on the XFA. It's on the... No, that's the thing, Amelia. The cap is on the XFA. That is the... Yes, you are correct. What I'm not sure is why... So they can take you to a live account at any point. So, and I'm like curious, why would they allow someone to run up their account to like 100K, 200K plus on one guy, but then other people, they're taking them to a live account when they're at 6K in profit? Non-stop trader. Seems like that's some glitch that spread to my accounts as well. They just disappear overnight sometimes. Oh, you're right, Willie C. Oh, that's why, Willie C. Yes, I forgot about that. That's why they're doing it. Oh my gosh, that makes so much sense now. The reason, yes, now I get it. Now I get it. Uh-huh. I see what's happening. So the reason that they're allowing an uncapped is because they cap, you can only take out the max payout of 5K per account. Get it? So they want to keep people. Oh, this makes so much sense. So once someone is at a certain threshold, like let's say someone runs up their account to 50K, it is now in the best interest of Top Step to let them keep trading, give them as much leverage as they can, because they are only allowed to take out 5K per account, per request. and they have to trade 5 days in between. So the odds are, and Top Step knows this, the odds are they will blow that account before they get to 10 payouts. Yes, and that's 100% true, and they will play the odds. That's what they will do. They will, I mean, I don't blame them either. I think it's smart. It's smart, and it now makes sense to me. It now makes sense because you basically are playing the odds that someone will blow the account before they get to 10 payouts. Right? And it just makes sense because that is what will happen most of the time. They are watching their trading habits and they are wise with risk. They will move them to live even if they haven't made a lot of money. Yeah, and basically the people that are running up their accounts to 50K plus in a couple days, the only way you can run up an account to 50K in profit in a week's time is if you're just YOLOing. I'm like, that's just the reality. That is not, I mean, I have no, if you want to YOLO accounts and get a 50K profit, I have no problem with it. I'm happy for you and that's great. But people that do that, they're going to just allow people to continue to do that. And with the, basically they're going to bank on it that you will blow the account before you get to 10 payouts. And the odds are going to be on their side. All right, we have all the way back up here, the 640s. We did make new highs. We took out the 660s. Man, the next level that I have that I am looking at is the 680s. I have the 680s as the next level. So let's see what happens here. Let's wait and see. Top Step allows for max withdrawal after 30 days of profitable trading. No, they don't. You can still wait. Is that so? Is the 5K cap not applicable after the 30 days of profitable trading? So then they would basically be banking on that someone is not going to have 30 profitable days before they blow their account. That makes sense. I plot these levels on the 15-minute chart. I use the 15-minute to get all of my levels. That is what I use. All right, pulling back to the 630. Let's see if we can pull back to the 600s. Kind of want to see that. But we're starting to consolidate, and that is good. I want to see this consolidate and see if we can get some entries here. Nice, Citizen Zero. Yeah, the main reason, honestly, I had someone give me some, I don't know, like there were actually some of you guys in chat that you know who you are, that basically the reason I started plotting my levels and just putting in the levels is more to keep me out of certain trades. Like if we are going, like if we're right here at the 600s and we just take out the 600s and then we get a pullback, like be more wary of trading and going long right into a level. I don't want to be doing that as much. So same with going short. I just don't want to short into a level. It's the chance I feel like that we get those big bounces, big moves is just so much higher. So that's what I'm trying to avoid. And I think it has helped me where I'm just a little more aware of the different levels that we're heading into. And then, okay, you know, let's get out. The other thing that, you know, this is kind of another example, honestly, where like some days, like the market is like, I don't care how much stuff you do. The market is not predictable. It just isn't. Like there are still You can do everything you can. You can have a solid strategy, but every trade you take, the market is unpredictable. Anything can happen, which is why we have to have a stop loss. We put a stop loss in to protect us from the inevitable or the craziness that can happen at any given point, which is very, very true with Trump and all the tweets and everything like that. I feel like that is more relevant than it has been. Hey, Amakre with the past eval. Here we go. This is for you, Amakre. Let's go. Let's go, Amakre. You did it. Let's go. 5K cap is only for XFA accounts up to $3,200 days. After 30 days, then you can take it unless they take you live. Then it starts over. Which, again, here's what will happen for those that took their accounts and ran them up. Around 20 profitable days or 25 profitable days, they're going to take you to a live account then, because then you're going to have to do it again and be still capped at 5K payout per round. Which, hey, I mean, I think I would like my odds. What do you guys think? Like, do you think if you had a, like in a scenario, if you were in a scenario where you took a 50K Top Step account and you just went full bunker mode the first week and you ran up the account to a 50K profit balance. So basically, you have 50K of wiggle room. You got 50K drawdown. Do you think you could register 30 days of $200 in profit or more before you blow the $50,000? I mean, I would like to think we could do that, right? I would like to think we could, but I know that's not as easy said as done. I'm sure it's not. Because once you trade that kind of size, you think you can just keep going, and then it just takes a couple really bad trades, and you just need to get stuck and start to DCA at the wrong time. Lots of money can disappear in a lot of time. Take half your profits when they take you live? Yes, Willie C. Yep. Which I would definitely agree. All right, let's see. I mean, we're just not getting any kind of pullback here that I want to see. We are finally consolidating. We're going sideways. So we're going to just be patient. I'd love to see this just continue a little bit lower. We will take more trades. I am going to keep trading these Apex accounts and see if we can't. I would love to get these even like $500 to $800 in profit would be awesome. So see if we can do it. Okay, I see, Kyle. Okay. Fun fact, sometimes there's a data delay between TradingView and Tradeovate, where TradingView charts are about 4 to 5 seconds faster. From Tradeovate? Are you for real, Campbell? That seems crazy. So we could see the future. That would be a glitch. Infinite money glitch. Okay, getting a little more, we're definitely starting to go sideways here, so this is what we want to see. Now we just don't want to see anything, like, we don't want to see any big red candle down, like, below the 580s. That's, if we make a big move down below the 580s, then I'm going to start to get worried. Hey, Chris Phillips with the sub. Thank you. Appreciate that. Also, Johan Ferguson, Steve R with the sub, Sipley with the sub. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hit the like button also, guys, if you don't mind. If it doesn't take too much of your time. Let's see. Wow, like it just feels so bullish today. Like every little dip is just immediately bought up. And there she goes. Are we just gonna rip here? Man, I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. Hey, and we're back. Oh, market, what are we doing? Look at it. It's just consolidating. But I really was looking for this, just like, I like that we're at least going sideways, but the fact that we're not pulling anything, like we're not pulling back further than the 620s. I mean, it's a bullish sign. There's no doubt about it. We might break out right here, but I am not going to chase breakouts at this point. We just sit and wait. We're just chilling. I feel like it's starting to get a bit heavy. It's going to break one way or the other, Citizen Zero. Yeah, I agree. Right now, I'd say it's going to break to the upside. There's no reason to think that it won't. Right now, it's just such a strong uptrend, and it just feels like we're going to go test that. Looks like we're going to go test that 680 level. There she goes. 660s breached. Now 670s. Let's see. Can we get up through the 680s? Up through the 670s. Just crazy market. Just she crazy today. All right. Maybe we pull back again into this range. Really just, I don't know. Just seems so bullish right now. I didn't trade the 50K accounts. No, I'm not. I'm trying to focus on these 150K accounts. I feel like I want to focus on the 150K accounts, get those payout, and then my plan is, as I'm waiting for my payout to be either, I don't know, denied or approved, I will then trade my 50K accounts. Options, oh, I can imagine the options premiums are probably crazy right now. Okay, let's see. We have not breached the 680s yet, but it looks like it's about to. Can you guys, I mean, I used to trade options a little bit, but I can only imagine, like, on the SPY options. That's what I used to trade. If I traded options, it was the SPY options. And I mean, we're getting such big moves, like the 0 DTE options. Those premiums have to be crazy. Do I think that Take Profit Trader is better than Apex to get a payout more easily? Samir, man, that's a good question. I mean, if I have to say based off of my own personal experience, I would have to say no. I've had a way easier time getting payouts from Apex than I have from Take Profit Trader. I think primarily, probably the reason for that is you have a 50% consistency rule on, you have a 50% consistency rule on the evals, and you have to trade for 5 days. So I think it makes it a little harder to pass the evals. But honestly, it shouldn't be that difficult, and it shouldn't be that much harder. For some reason, I turn into an idiot and I forget how to trade when I trade with Take Profit Trader. I don't know what it is about it, but there is something weird going on between me and Take Profit Trader. I just cannot seem to, I just can't do it. It just, I have not given up. I will eventually be getting payouts from Take Profit Trader. Mark my words, it will happen. And I feel like once it starts to happen, I'm just going to blow the lid off. But right now, I don't know what it is about it. And then you're at the mercy of John and his crew from Apex when it's time to get payments. Yep. Again, like maybe you weren't here, John. John, you might not have been here when I was talking about this, but there is a way for Apex. Like if you do certain things and you don't do certain things with Apex, you will go straight through the automatic payout approval process. That's the key. The key is to go through the automated payout approval process. But there are certain things that you have to do in order to not get flagged. If you get flagged and you're under review or whatever, under the manual review process, that's where, yeah, I agree. Now, I don't, like I've said in the past, I don't like that. I don't like it. Supposedly, that's going to be changing here in about 2 months. That all payout approvals will be automated. So I am a big, big fan of that. I'm hoping it comes sooner rather than later. I don't know why, but I just can't with them, but someday I'll come back to them. Take Profit Trader. Yeah, Mockray. Yeah, I know, Design. I know. I probably sound like an idiot continuing to believe it. I know. With Apex, yes. Apex, yes. They are working on having all payouts be automatically approved, but it's going to take time. I was on a call with them and I told them, maybe some of you will disagree with me here. Some of you probably will disagree, but I was asked to give my opinion and I did it. I would rather have more rules that are black and white than less rules that are gray area. Because with gray area rules, you can't have an automated payout approval. But if you have black and white rules, you can automate the process. And we want automation. Why isn't anyone live? They have live traders, John. I've actually seen it. They actually do have live traders. What I don't understand is why they don't show them off. Like, show it. But they do have it. They do have it. Not a lot. They don't have a lot, but they had 8 people live. Yeah, I don't even know how many. I know they have some, but I know they don't have a lot. And let's just say this. They are very picky. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't say it. They're very picky about who trades for them. They think, it's a numbers game is what it ends up being. Most people that go live, they will blow their account. But I would much rather have more rules if they are black and white. Make them all black and white and give us an automated payout approval process. Make it so we as traders know 100% exactly what rules we broke if we break them, and etc. That's I don't think that is asking for too much. And I got good feedback from it. So I'm probably too gullible. I don't know. I'm probably too naive. Maybe I don't know, but I believe that that is what their goal is and that they're going to do it. But they did say that it is going to take time. If I get a 600K payout, do you think they put me live? Depends how you trade, Mikey. It really does. The person that I know for a fact that they took live, he only had 200K in payouts. So it's not about how much your payouts are. It's more that they really do look at, I guess that, yeah, that is what they look at more than your payouts. Someone in Camber's chat claiming Apex now requires 30% in an eval. Yeah, that's not true. Oh, wait, Timbo, were they trading the wealth charts? I bet they were. There's a glitch on the wealth charts that the 30%, yeah, with evals is, yeah, it's not, but that's a glitch in wealth charts. Right now, wealth charts just has too many bugs. They need to, there's just too much work. They need to fix a lot of that stuff before I'm going to have any interest in it. All right, market. I mean, this is so, I think we touched the EMA here for the first time since we opened. Will we? Let's see what happens here. He got an email about it. Yeah, it's not true. Not on regular accounts. I'm sorry. If Apex 4.0 comes out, I might be somewhat the fault of it, but I mean, I just hate the idea when you go to submit a payout and you might have broken a rule and it's like a gray area rule. Like, I just don't like it. I never have, I never will. Give me black and white rules. And here we go again, like, man, oh man. This is potential an entry, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to take this bait. I feel like I want to see us take out this 600 area before I look at taking a long. Just feel like we're going to bleed lower. We're also coming up at the 11 o'clock hour. 11:30, 12 o'clock. Everything just seems like we consolidate and pull back. And I want to give it time to do that before we just dive in. Take the short bait. Wait, Trump tweet at 12:04. Uh-oh. Yeah, Mockery, it would have been, I know. Ace undercover. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, I agree, John. But and the whole probation thing was just, honestly, I think it was a big mistake. The whole probation thing was a big mistake that was instigated and put in place by someone that is no longer there. Hey, what's up, Shalon? How we doing? Good morning. All right, let's see. I want to see a little bit of a wick, like a stop hunt, so to speak. Like, let's see a big red candle down through the 600s. And if that gets bought up quickly, that's what I'm going to wait for. I'm just not going to fall for this. Trades by Johnny. Good morning. Good to see you. Design knob. What happened to Joom? I don't even know. Where are my take profit trader accounts? We had a glitch. We had a Nutty Bar glitch and they disappeared. No, I blew them. I did something stupid in the Sunday night overnight session. Right here. Right here. They disappeared somewhere right here. It was a very unfortunate event. But it happened, and it is what it is. The take profit trader curse continues. Hey, Rad Poker in the house. I don't even know what to say at this point. There's nothing to say about take profit. I just can't trade take profit trader. That's all it is to it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Here in Italy, we're still in 1990. When I say that I'm a trader, everyone starts to laugh. Yeah, I mean, imagine trying to tell people that, like Amish, I come from the Amish background, and try to imagine explaining what you do to some of like that, like family, friends, like that. That's a whole different level, fellas. That's a whole different level. I try to keep it pretty high level and just, hey, you know, it's honestly, it's like anything else. We buy at a certain level, we try to sell at a higher price to make a profit. It really is as simple as that. We try to make money. Any tips for not getting burned by the Apex intraday trailing drawdown? Yes, Orlando. One of the bigger tips that I see, one of the bigger things, or when I see people trading with trailing stops when they're still in the, especially with minis, like if you're trading with any kind of size and you're using a trailing stop, you need to stop doing that if you still are, if you're not above that intraday trailing drawdown. Like set your profit target and then take your profit as the price is going higher, and then re-enter if you want to. But that's one of the bigger mistakes that I see, because the trailing drawdown, of course, like if you start letting trades that are $200, $300 in profit, and then you put your stop to break even, and then you get stopped at break even, that's the worst way to trade with an intraday trailing drawdown. Take your profits and do more of a scalping mentality, because the intraday trailing drawdown goes away once you're above the buffer. Once you're above the buffer, you no longer have any draw, like you don't have a trailing drawdown that is end of day or trailing. It goes away. So then you just need to adapt to that type of strategy until that drawdown is no longer valid, and then you can adapt to, if you want to increase your size and then do trailing stops, then it makes more sense. But while you still are in an active trailing drawdown, just don't do the trailing stop and break even stops, and it's not worth it. Just take your profits. Tell them you're mixing trading with butter churning. Just say you're an investor. I do that. But this was a trap. This was a little bit of a trap right here. You could take an entry here to 655s, but I'm really, really starting to learn that trading around 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock is when we get these fake outs. It takes me a while to learn some of these things, but once I learn them, usually then I'm okay. Your second trade of the session, what is your trigger for the entry? Break of the second candle? Yes, the break of that second candle. But I will say, I was actually I was actually on the 1 minute chart right here. So my entry was basically above the body of this candle right here. See, I was looking at the 1 minute chart. Now, usually I would be on the 2 minute. That's why. And then usually I try to just take my profit at the previous test of the high, unless I'm really want to try and get a runner going. But yes, that is basically basically my entry there. Now this entry here, this is just solely a 3 minute. I just have a strategy that I trade the 3 minute candle, the opening of the 3 minute candle. I take a directional trade based on if we're above the opening price or below it. And that's what that was. So, okay, starting to roll over here. She's starting to roll. I really would like to see a big wick test lower down through that 600 level. That's what I'm waiting for. I think it's going to happen. Let's see. All right, testing the 620s. Yes, unstoppable. The 3 minute trade today was great. Actually, yesterday I was checking. Yesterday, the 3 minute opening trade would have worked great as well. I just didn't take it. Would 15 be worth trading? The 15-minute opening? I back tested the 15-minute range breakout trade. I back tested it for 5 months, like 5 months manually, like manually back testing it, going back 5 months. And it just, the results were not, the results did, it was a net loss of like $12,000 on the manual back testing that I did for that time. Obviously there's time periods I'm sure that it works, but where I back tested it, just, it never really, the results weren't there. There were days that was nice, but overall just didn't. That's when I stepped down to like the 2 minute or the 5 minute, the 10 minute, and then I settled at the 3 minute. I feel like the 3 minute, there's still enough momentum that, because that's basically what you're doing. You're entering a trade and you're trying to catch the momentum. And I want to basically allow the market to kind of wiggle around and consolidate a little bit at that opening, like the 9:30 opening. And then by 9:33 opening candle, I'm kind of, then is where I'm basically playing it that the market has now chosen a direction and we're going to follow that direction, and we're just looking to capture and capitalize on the momentum of that opening market volatility. And that's basically what that trade is. So, and that had by far the best results in the back testing. It had pretty positive results. Now, I don't take it every single day. I probably should, but I don't. I take it kind of based off of, I do use discretion on when I take it and when I don't take it, which, all right, now this is interesting. We tested that 620s and now we're popping. I'm going to be sad if this makes new highs now. I'm not, I don't know. I guess it is what it is. If we rip to new highs, then we'll definitely look back at this and be like, oh, wow, there was a beautiful setup. Why did I not take that trade? But basically because of the time of day, and I would love to see this kind of wick down below the 600s, but we might not do it. Looks like we're just going to rip it. This could be a day. This could be the day that the market just keeps going higher. How is my live account, Justice? Honestly, I haven't been trading it. Maybe I should trade it again now that I'm trading a little bit better, but when I was trading really bad, I was struggling with my trading 2-3 weeks ago. I just put the live account on the shelf. I did not want to ruin it, so currently it's just chilling. I need to get some nice payouts and stuff before we start trading on our live account again. You need to find some good duck, some good pecking duck. John. You guys are too funny. All right, let's see if we get above this 660 level. Wow, there it goes. Testing that 660s now. Unbelievable. This is where it starts to get a little bit dangerous for me, because my mind, if we just rip right through and make new highs, like my mind kicks into aggressive mode. And I think in my mind, I like, okay, I need to be more aggressive on my buying. And that is usually where you get trapped. When you start to feel like you need to really just buy every single little dip, because then it'll give the dip down, and that's where you start making some mistakes. So even if we make new highs here, just gotta wait, I guess. If we rip above the 680s into the 700s, I guess we'll just have to wait. Be patient. Sounds like a TPT mindset. Hey, Sharu, good to see you. Did not know that China put on a tariff. Yeah, the whole tariff situation is a very volatile situation at the moment. You're getting close to first payout, MZ316. One question: if payout is denied, does Apex give you detailed explanation why, or just a general explanation? Unfortunately, right now, it is just a general explanation, which I am hoping gets fixed. But that's something I don't like. I wish they'd give you a date, time, what rule was broken. Supposedly that will happen, but right now that is not the case. But yeah, if that happens, I mean, that's why I have all my trade logs, and you can go back through and you can basically see, where were rules broken, and basically, yeah, trade 8 more days, make at least 4 days of $50, resubmit, and then get paid. So you're banned from talking here? Not yet, Smoky Bear Trades, but keep up that kind of attitude and you will be. What do you do if you get denied? Again, yeah, your profits aren't removed. Basically, nothing happens except you just get reset and you just have to trade for 8 days. And of those 8 days, 4 days have to be $50 in profit or more. And 4 days can be flip days. So it's, I mean, yeah, that basically is what you have to do. Hey, Carlos. Hey, Carlos Roa. Good to see you. Good to see you. How's it been going, Carlos? Yes, Guardian Angel Trader. By the way, John, did you install Guardian Angel Trader? Or did you do it? Yesterday was your best day ever, Sharuz? Oh no. And then you messed it up. Oh yeah, that is a that is a terrible feeling. But yeah, that is where Guardian Angel Trader really does you basically Sharuz, in a nutshell, the way it works, you have to be using Ninja Trader, but then basically you set your profit goal, your loss, your stop loss for the accounts every day, and if you hit it, it locks you out. You can't trade it. So you just got denied for improper risk management. I think I went 760 one day. You're saying after the being denied, trade 4 days, $50 or more, and then flip the next 4 days. Yes, Sunil, that is correct. And then you can resubmit and get approved. Yeah, so yesterday was a difficult day of trading. Honestly, I feel very, very lucky. I just feel very fortunate that I walked away when I did. It got very choppy, and then we just kind of went higher, and then we still had a big sell-off in the afternoon. I'm just, I kind of, I'm having second thoughts of yesterday. I walked away, I went golfing, and I came back at 4 o'clock, and I looked at the market, and I'm like, oh man, I'm so thankful I didn't keep trading. And it's kind of on my mind right now of, okay, should I maybe I should just walk away for the day. Um, but the way the market is right now, I like the price action so far. If I see something that I don't like, then I will walk away. But so far, um, I like the price action, and if we see a really good setup, I'm gonna take it. But I'm going to be patient. Mm. Yeah, Smokey Bear. I mean, I'm being trying to be graceful with you here, but this the way that you come across in chat, and I guess there's like a history of you being very arrogant with your trading. Like, if you're gonna do that here in chat, I will ban you. It'll be a permanent ban as well. So consider this your warning. If you don't want to take the warning, go ahead, but just don't come crying then when you're banned in every single chat on YouTube. You're doing it to yourself. Hey, thank you, Unstoppable. Yeah, Design Knob. I'll take care of the situation if I see fit. Hey, Dan S with the sub. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Also, yes. Yeah, I was thinking about, I obviously, like I said, I want to wait. I'm going to wait until after I get some payouts. Um, After I get some payouts, I want to try my funded futures again. I'll probably try take profit trader again. I don't know. Why not? It's just, it's getting to be embarrassing, but I do like take profit trader. I like my funded futures. I might also try Top Step, but I also I don't want to just all of a sudden be trading 6 different prop firms. I like when I'm trading around 3 to 4 prop firms. Anything more than that, it just kind of gets to be too much. And you start forcing trades and stuff like that. Carlos Roa, I'm going to say that the take profit trader curse is, it probably rubbed off on me, or I rubbed off on you, because I don't know what it is about take profit trader. It's crazy. I just can't trade it. Most people have felt the take profit trader curse. I think it's a combination of how hard it is to pass their evals, and then a combination of where you go from an end of day drawdown, then you have to shift your mindset and your trading style when you trade your pro account, because then you have an intraday trailing drawdown. Like the combination of all that, I think, is, I don't know, does that mess with me? But I'm used to trading with a trailing drawdown. Like, it shouldn't be an issue. I have the exact same thing with Apex, and that doesn't seem to affect me. But for some reason, I just can't. I don't care, Smokey Bear, where you post. I don't care where you post your trades or if it's free or not. That's not what I said. If you're going to come into chat and be arrogant and be spouting off about how easy trading is and yada yada yada, we don't really care. I mean, newsflash, no one cares. So either you're going to be a decent human being and just participate like a normal person in chat, or you're going to be banned. It's up to you. You choose. Why is it harder to pass take profit trader? Because of the 50% rule. The 50% consistency rule. And also you have to trade for 5 days. So yeah, it does make it harder. But again, I guess, you know, hey, like, there you go. Hood Harvest says take profit trader was easy for him. So I think it just depends. Like, some people, it just, I think we've all had it. I think we've all had those different prop firms where it just seems like everything you do is wrong. Like, it just seems like everything you do just goes wrong. And I don't know how else to say it. I don't know. It's not fun, I can assure you of that. But I don't know. I mean, for me, like, I just do very stupid things. And I think part of it is that there is no consistency rule. I think the no consistency rule hurts a lot more people than what people really think. They get it, you know, they think, hey, there's no consistency rule. So they get more aggressive and they look for those big windfall kind of trades instead of the base hits. I know that's gotten me in the past, for sure, where I go in with more of a home run mentality and swing for the fences. So then is where I really do, yeah, I think that's a big part of it. For me anyway. But yeah. All right, Smokey Bear. Peace. You are now officially banned on this channel, and you will not be unbanned. So take care. You made your choice. I don't care. We don't need you in chat. I know, try me. I'm trying not to jinx it. We are only 20. We are 28 subs away from hitting 15,000 subs. Right now, there's over 500 people of you in here. I guarantee you there's 28 people in here that think they're subbed to my channel. They want to be subbed, but they're not subbed. But you actually want to be subbed, but you're not. So if that's you, now we're 25 subs away. Oh dear. I feel confident we can get to 15,000 subs today. The live sub account is right here. It's right above me. Literally, oh, it's right there. You can see it. You can see the ticker. Here, do you want to do this? There we go. Now you guys can see it. Now you guys can see it. 78. Oh dear. Do I have a Replicanto Cuban code? I used to, if it still works, it's Nutty Bar 20. All lowercase, all one word, Nutty Bar 20. See, as soon as I make it bigger, some of you guys just unsubbed. You guys are twisted. You guys have a twisted sense of humor. It was probably Smokey. He unsubbed his 5 different alt channels. Look at you guys go. You guys are, okay, fine, I'm going to hide it. I'm not even going to show it. This is why I didn't want to talk about it, because some of you guys are you have a twisted sense of humor. You guys have a twisted sense of humor, some of you guys. I'm telling you. It's just a pullback. Oh, it's too funny. Too funny. I'll be north of 100. No way. You know what? If we're at 25,000 subs at the end of the year, I'd be stoked. I'll put it back. Oh, I'm not going to talk about it. Yes, we definitely need to do a duck race at 50. We definitely will do a duck race. We'll possibly do some giveaways if we get to that magic number today. Thanks for the subs, guys. Nevada, thanks for the sub. Dan S. Devon, thank you. Appreciate it. Let's go. I just subbed 4 of my other accounts just now. You guys are too much. I'm long Nutty Bar. Let's go. We had a little bit of a pullback, but now we're breaking out. Oh, man. All right, boys, let's see what we do here. Market did not make new lows here, or new highs, so very interesting. You subbed when this channel was below 3K subs? Let's go, Sarab. That's awesome. You just subbed your wife's account. Rip your wife's suggested videos. She is not going to be she's not going to like that. So let's go. 13 subs away. Should I try to sub again? Will it take 2 subs from the same account? It will not. By the way, Envy, did you ever scroll back and see my comment where you went to the bathroom? I did not. Ace Undercover. What was your question or comment? I did not see it. What is the buffer on a 50K? So the 50K is the buffer is 2,500, Steven. The 300K is 7,500. So once you get above 2,500 in a 50K, no more intraday trailing drawdown. Once you get above 7,500 on a 300K, no more drawdown. All right, let's see if we can. The market's very much consolidating here. Pretty much par for the course. Around 10:30, 11 o'clock, we just start to go sideways. Definitely seems like it. You know what? Let's check something. Oh, geez. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to figure something out. Hang on. Okay, market. All right. Sorry about that. We are back. Market did nothing. Market has done. We're basically trading in a what 20-point range, maybe 30, 630s to the 660s, 30-point range. Volatility has died down significantly, but I always say if we make a big move higher and we hold a level, then it is likely going to continue higher. So the difference is I don't want to buy the breakouts. I don't want to have my normal entry when we start trading like this. I almost want to establish an entry at the support at the bottom here. I almost want to trade it like a trading range, and then you like take my profit at the previous high and then hold for a breakout potential. But you just don't want to play these breakouts. If you try for the breakouts, you just end up getting very frustrated because when we're in this kind of range, we see a lot of fake and failed breakouts. I think there will be a breakout that will be true, that will work, but you're going to go through some pain before you find it. Very likely. If I'm bullish, Tilly the Dot, yeah, I'm definitely bullish today. Definitely. Yeah, very true, John. Remember, you always have slumps. The best do. You just need to get better at realizing it and then shut yourself down. That's very well said, John. Shut yourself down, or at least at minimum, size down significantly. It's so easy. Too many times we get way too when we start going in a losing streak, we feel like we have to size up to make up for the losses. That's the worst thing you can do. And I've done that. We have done that. I heard you say that you went a year without making profit. What made you get back in the saddle with 20 accounts? So Mr. Cage, so my first year of trading prop firms, I went a full year before I got a payout. But once I got a payout, I have been at least somewhat consistently getting payouts since then. Getting payouts, but also still struggling, still learning, still trying to get better. I definitely still have blow-ups, but the blow-ups are further apart. And I sometimes doesn't feel like I'm making progress, but when I look back at where I was, then I'm like, okay, we're making progress. Okay, guys, we are okay. This might be the breakout. Let's see. Let's see if we get above that 680. Let's see if she can do it. Looks like we're getting that breakout here. There we go. Testing the 680s. Testing the 680s. Let's see. See if we break through here. Just feels very just hard to. Let's see. If we get a big rejection off of this, this is where I will it could happen. A daily chart looks so bullish. I know. I wanted to show that. Thank you. Yeah, I saw that too, but I was also wanting to say, like, look at this daily chart, guys. Look at this. If you're struggling with trading right now and things aren't going well, and you're just struggling and feel like you're getting whipsawed, I mean, look at this daily chart. There's no wonder. Right now, the market is crazy. So if you're struggling right now, don't be too hard on yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. Right now, it's hard. It's crazy. And it might not be a bad time. Honestly, I feel very fortunate to have a couple green days, and I know how easy it is. Like, this kind of market, it is so easy to you just need to get in the one bad trade, get trapped in that one trade, and it just absolutely has no mercy. So this kind of, it's just crazy. But I do agree, if we break up above this, like we kind of need to break above this 22,000, like on longer time frame, then we really have a chance to break out to new highs, but we will see. Hey, Steven, good morning. How's it going? Yeah, daily, I look at the daily chart, but more out of curiosity. 15-minute chart is right now. I do look at the 4-hour chart, but 15-minute chart is kind of my longer time frame that I look at. But this is, it's just the 4-hour chart looks insane. Like, look at this. Hey, Tradeify in the building. Let's go. Let's go, Tradeify. Thanks for the 20. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, we're 10 subs. 10 subs away. Let's go. One of my old bosses, he would crush the market. He had a saying, in every sunken ship is a chart room. Ship is a chart room with a chart in it. Oh, that's good. Hey, good morning, Linda, David, Gabriel, good morning. Luis, good morning. News today was very plus. Yeah, I mean, it just looks like we're just going to continue higher. I would love to see a bigger pullback. I really would. I feel like we haven't had the wick test. Like, we haven't had the stop run yet. We just had a slow grind higher. Feel like I just need to be patient. David, thanks for the sub. We are 7 subs away. Do I ever have red days anymore, Elephant Whisperer? Yes, I do. Just rewind, go back 2 weeks and watch 2 weeks of red days. I had like 2 weeks where I just had red day after red day after red day. It was not a good time. $40 away. No, I need to get these accounts to 9,000 in, I think, right? I'm about 1,400 away, I think. Or unless I need to get these Tradeify accounts need to be at that 9,000 in profit if I think so. Unless Tradeify, hear me out. Hear me out, Tradeify. If you could make an exception, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm trying. My goal right now is the next payout window, which is the 11th through the 14th. My goal right now, hopefully, I don't want to get too excited, but my goal right now is to request a payout on the 14th or somewhere before that. So basically, we just need slow, steady, trading micros, not doing anything crazy. Just going to try and take it slow and steady. Steady Eddie is what they call me. Hey, we're at 15,000 subs. Let's go. Let's go, guys. You guys are awesome. Boom. This is for you guys. We just not on 15,000. Let's go. 15,000 subs. Isn't that crazy? Unbelievable. That is actually crazy to me. To think where we, less than 2 years ago, I started the channel, and I never dreamed I would get to 15,000 subs. So thank you everyone. Thanks for the support. The support the last week and a half, 2 weeks have been amazing. I know a lot of you guys came from Patrick's stream. You guys have been very supportive, and I do appreciate it. Thank you. Give yourself a round of applause. All right, maybe if maybe Tradeify would maybe we could do like a giveaway or something in celebration. Tradeify, how about it? That would be pretty neat. I think I can maybe we can work something out. I'd be down for that. It is crazy, John. It's so weird. I think back to like what is so crazy about like when I started. I still remember when I started, and I remember when I was thinking about starting a channel. Here's the other thing, guys, that I need to do a shout out. A shout out to my wife, because I wouldn't even be here if I wouldn't have her support. and that's being 100% serious. Because when I started trading prop firms, I explained to her what it like how it works, and I gave her like like, hey, honey, if you want me to do this, I will. I think I can do it. It's going to be rough. And she was like, you know what? She supported me. And throughout all the down, like the 1 year of no payouts, the 1 year where I got 0 payouts, nothing but expenses, she still supported me. And she was 100% supporter. So huge shout out to the wife. I don't know if she's listening or not, but thank you. Okay. She is listening. Let's go. She's but hey, I started the channel and I remember thinking, I was like, you know what? It was like almost a passing thought where I was like, you know what? I might as well start a channel. It's not going to go anywhere, but at least I will have the videos to myself so that I can then look back and see what I've learned along the way. And I thought, hey, if someone subscribes and follows, you know, that just would be a great, like, added additional benefit. And it has gone, basically, it's honestly, I can honestly say it's changed my life. It really has, because having this YouTube channel has allowed me to literally make this my full-time job. And I never dreamed I would do that for my full-time job. And through your support, through your subs, through your watching me, using my codes, like, obviously, like, all of that concluded, all of that in and of itself is what allows me to basically do this for a living. And it's crazy. And actually, that is also very, very true, John. That had an influence. Trading with Travis definitely influenced me into starting my own channel. He really did. And I know, and I'll tell this story, and again, like, no shade at all towards Trading with Travis, but I was trading with Travis. This was 2 years ago. Trading with Travis. I watched him. I still watch him, and he's a great channel to follow if you want to follow trading and the prop firm journeys. But I remember I commented in his video, and at the time I was just a regular guy in chat, and he had taken like 5 days off of his trading. Like, basically he was just 5 days where he wasn't streaming. And I was like, where are you, Travis? And I went into one of his older videos and I commented that, hey, Travis, it would be really helpful if you would let your viewers know what is going on. Like, why are you not streaming? And I probably came off across, you know, a little bit bad. But anyway, Travis's reply was, hey, if you don't like how I'm doing it, then start your own channel. I wish I would have saved that comment, because, and I was like, huh, he's got a point. Why? Maybe I will do that. And that actually kind of got me originally at least thinking about starting a channel. And also that with, I just thought, hey, if I am on a live stream in front of people, I am way less likely to do dumb stuff. I'm way less likely to go on tilt. So that combination, I was like, you know what? I might as well. I got nothing to lose. I'll just start a channel and I'll just, you know, see what happens. And here we are, almost 2 years. That was in April of 2023. So we're almost through 2 years later. And look at all you guys that have joined. Thank you. I can't say thank you enough. I really, really do appreciate every single one of you guys, even the trolls, even you, Smokey Bear. You're probably creating your 4th alt account, so you can comment. But I appreciate everyone, even the trolls. The trolls, they keep me motivated. But you know what? We don't have that many trolls, to be honest. Hey, Jay Smith, hit me. Okay, we are definitely going to do a giveaway. Marila, thanks for the sub. Pine Tree Trader, thank you. $5. Thank you, Pine Tree Trader. I appreciate that, and keep doing what you're doing, Pine Tree Trader. Honestly, in the beginning, a big part of a lot of people ask me, what's the key? What's the key to starting a channel? I don't claim to know the key. The main thing is, I would say, is be yourself. Be yourself and be consistent with your streaming, and just be, it is what it is. Either people are going to watch you or they're not. It doesn't, and a lot of it is also, there's definitely some luck involved. The YouTube algorithms have to like you and recommend it. That, I think, is just kind of a shot in the dark, but you know what? We'll take it. We will take it. 15,000 subs. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Take Profit Trader funded account giveaway, Peter H. Hear me out, guys. If Take Profit Trader was giving away accounts, I might keep them for myself. I kind of need them, I'll be honest. But no, I've tried to reach out to Take Profit Trader with no luck. No luck at all. So I doubt it that we're going to get any kind of freebies to give away. I wish. I would definitely do it. But, all right, guys. What a crazy day. Market continues to just, it looks like one of those days. It's starting to look like a day where we just don't go any lower. We just keep grinding higher. And I mean, I'm not opposed to it. I am not opposed to it. So maybe it's almost to the point where, like, well, maybe we should just get in, but I'm not doing it. We're not going to fall for it. I have a hard time enough getting people to like me. Now I have to get algorithms to like me. Go ahead and trade. It's true, though. That is why the like button is so important. And you hear a lot of people begging for the likes. Hey, please like video. Please like video. That's why. Tradeify giveaway 3 advanced to 100K. I'll send you the codes. Wait, Rad Poker? Wait, you have codes for that? Who are you, Rad Poker? Who are you? I mean, that'd be awesome, but that would be awesome. Please forgive Smokey for the sake of today's milestone. Does Smokey wants a second chance? That's from Tradeify. Wait, oh, was that earlier? Did I miss Tradeify's comment? Let me find it. Tradeify, if you're still here, send me a DM. Send me a DM and I will. I missed it. Dang it. Okay, awesome. Let's go. Tradeify giveaway. And I also, I'm going to see, maybe we can get some Apex. Let's just do a lot of giveaways. Why not? Testing, seeing if I am. All right, hang on. Let me find the comment. I need to find it. Okay, that was from Brett. Okay, thank you, Rad Poker. There for a minute, I was like, wait, Rad Poker, who are you? 3 advanced to 100K, I'll send the codes. Let's go, let's go. Thank you, Brett. Thank you, Brett. You the man. You are the man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Oh, I found it. I found it. Thank you, Brett. I really appreciate it. All right. Well, we'll hang around till we get the codes, and then we will do the giveaway as soon as we get them, and we will go from there. Free chips ahoy! The rest of the free chips ahoy! You know what we should do? We should do a giveaway, and the top 3 that win, or we could do a giveaway, and anyone that wins, I'll send you guys a box of Nutty Bars. I should do that. But how do you guys feel about, would that be cool for you guys? Man who geeks her. I would like a crate of Nutty Bars. I'd rather come trade with you in the closet. Closet is not big enough for 2 people, unfortunately. It's not big enough. All right, market, what are we doing? We gonna keep, is this where we gonna roll over? A ginger bar with you in that closet. That sounds weird. That does sound kind of weird. It's time to get sponsored by Nutty Bar. I agree, Shohai. I agree. I could not agree more. Oh, man. All right, market, back down through the 640s now. This is now starting. This might be the start of a rollover. Let's wait and see. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, let's go. We have the codes in hand. All right, okay, hang on, guys. It's not time yet. Oh, geez, I didn't see the chat. Calm down, everybody. Everybody take a deep breath. It's not time yet. I'll tell you when it's time. All right, hang on. We're getting there. Okay, now it's time. Now it's time. Let's go. Thank you, Tradeify. Let's go. Okay, to get entered, exclamation mark Nutty, and you will be entered. This is for the giveaway. This giveaway will be for first, second, and third place. Will get a 100K Tradeify advanced account. Okay, 100K advanced account from Tradeify. Thank you, Tradeify, for that. Let's go. We will also be doing more giveaways as well, so just stay tuned. Exclamation mark Nutty. Meanwhile, the market did make a little bit bigger pullback here for off the 680s. Now let's see if the 620s hold. Man, this is tempting to try along here, but I want to wait. I almost feel like I shouldn't trade between 12 o'clock or 11:30 and like 2 o'clock. Let's see if this actually makes a move here, or are we just going to continue to roll over? We're going to do a giveaway anyway, so I don't really want to be in a trade. So 15,000 subs. Man, I can't, that number just looks very clean. I like it. Exclamation mark Nutty. Hey. Let's go. He just got 100 on his science project. He was very proud, as he should be. Yeah, I'm telling you what, Go Ahead Trades. He is growing like a weed. He just keeps growing. It's crazy. All right, guys. Sorry, I'm in the middle of I'm distracted trying to make a post. Okay, you got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the Tradeify giveaway. Tradeify 100K advanced account giveaway. The top 3, first, second, and third will get a Tradeify 100K advanced account. We will be picking 15 people, and then we will be having a duck race to determine the winners. You have 2 minutes to get in, and a chance to get your name picked. You got 1 minute and 35 seconds left to get entered. Do it now. Do it now. And as I am trying to make some posts here. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, boys. All right, let me get ready. Yeah, this market's starting to look like it's gonna just do the old rollover. The rollover strategy looks like it's in play. All right, let me All right, boys, it is over. You can no longer enter. It is time to pick the names. This time I'll try to make sure I'm on the right screen. You should be able to see this. All right. Here we go. We are about to pick the names. Again, we will, if this is your first time, we will pick 15 names. Then we will have a duck race to determine the first, second, and third place winner. And the winners will receive a free Tradeify 100K advanced account. So let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. And here we go. The first name to be entered in the duck race is, hey, let's go, My Selfie Mirror. An OG, let's go. Good luck, sir. There we go. Next name is going to be Citizen Zero. Let's go. We got 2 OGs on the rip. Right off the rip. Love to see it. Here we go. Next name is going to be James Reuters. Congratulations and good luck, sir. Let's go. Next name is going to be Here Something Johnny. I don't know. All right. Good luck, sir. Next name, Dimitri. Dimitri is in. Good luck, sir. Congratulations. Here we go. Next name is Gavin. Okay, Gavin Hanna. I love it. Thank you. We will, good luck in the race. Here we go. Next name, Ace of Luck 777. There you go. Good luck, sir. Next name is going to be Gexus MMA. Jexus. Is that Jex? I don't know. That looks weird, but I'll say Jexus. Jexus MMA. Congratulations and good luck, sir. Here we go. Next name, Kyle. Oh, tell me. Is this Kyle? Is this the Kyle? Is this the Kyle? We have to know. Is this the Kyle? I hope it is. Good luck, Kyle. I hope it is. Oh, I hope it's the Kyle. Okay, it is not. It is not the Kyle. If you don't know, actually, okay, it's spelled different. Klye. Okay, never mind. All right, next name. Okay, wait a minute. Clover Trader. Clover Trader, you were entered in the last giveaway we had. Very interesting. Yeah, it's Cly. Cly, not Kyle. I have dyslexia. Sorry. It's rigged. Uh-oh. We again have more unfounded rigged accusations. Okay, we need to eliminate 5 names so we can pick 5 more. Don't worry, your name is still in here. Don't panic. All right, here we go. Next name to be picked is going to be, hey, Scalping with Tom. Let's go. And OG, good luck, sir. Next name is going to be, oh dear, they hit me with the Chinese name. You know I can't say that. I'm going to call you Wee Wong. Is it Wee Wong? I don't know. Seems right. We're going to call you Wee. I really apologize. I'm terrible at pronunciation on names. I'm just bad. Nitro X. Nitro X. Congratulations and good luck, sir. Hey, let's go. R5 Studios with a chance. Hey, good luck, sir. Good luck. Okay, here we go. And the final name for the Trade of 8 giveaway duck race. Here, yes, Clover Trades. I actually wanted to talk about that. I'll talk about. Yeah, it does seem like there's 2. I will check that. Clover Trade. So this is you. This is you. We can see by the chat here that this is you, but there was another one that was imitating you. Yeah. Anyway, okay, final name. Final name. Here we go. It is X Razor Gamer. X Razor Gamer with the final name. Congratulations, everyone that was picked. And good luck in the duck race. Here we go. There are all of the names. Your name should be in here. 15 names. I need some water. My throat is giving out on me. All right, boys. Everybody in the race, again, first, second, third place, will get you a free 100K advanced account from Tradeify. Good luck, everybody. And let's get this party started. It's going to be a 2-minute race like usual. And here we go. Wow, we don't have any red ducks. We gotta shuffle these. There we go. I like that. That's better. Okay. Are we ready? On your mark, get set, and they're off. Wait, is the sound not on? Why is the sound not on? Oh, no. Oh, no, we've got a sound malfunction. It's fine. I think you guys, let me crank up. You guys should be able to hear it. Okay, we are a little behind here. We got Clover Trade in the lead. We got Ace of Luck trying to make a stab. We got a lot of yellow ducks here. We takes a half-length lead with 1 minute and 25 seconds to go. Here comes Nitro X trying to make a move into third place, trying to make a move for the lead. Here comes Scalping with Tom as Batman. Here comes Nitro, has officially taken the lead for now. It's neck and neck, heading into 1 minute to go. And here's Scalping with Tom holding a line here in tied for third place. Nitro falls back into third place. Here is Clover Trades, still maintaining a half a length of lead with 45 seconds to go. Now here comes Citizen Zero. Citizen Zero is making the move to the front of the pack, and he takes a commanding lead with 35 seconds to go. Citizen Zero has pulled ahead to a full length lead. Here's Gavin Hanna trying to give him competition. Citizen Zero is looking strong. Does he have the energy to maintain it? Here we go. Uh-oh, there goes Citizen Zero. He just ran out of stamina. Here comes Dimitri. Clover Trades is in the lead. Can he hold? We got 8 seconds to go. Who's going to make the final push? Here comes Kyle. Here comes James. James with the push. And there it is. James with the win. That was a very close race. Very close race. But James, out of the middle of the pack, came out of nowhere for the win. Here we go. Here are the official results. I'm sorry, there's no rigging. This was not rigged. This everything official by the state of Florida Gaming Commission. Here's James Reuters in first place. Congratulations. And we have second place. We have Dimitri. And in third place, this was a very close third place finish between Kyle and myself, Emir. But myself, Emir, pulled ahead in third place. Congratulations. Very, very good race. Very competitive. So I am going to drop my email in the chat. Just give me a minute. Hang on. Okay. Here's what needs, for those of you that have been here before, you know how to do this. Okay, there is my email. Send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel to make sure it's you, and then I will send you the code for the Tradeify account, the free Tradeify account. Myself, Emir, let's go. First time in and you win. Let's go, myself, Emir. Well deserved. You've been here a long time, and I love to see it. James Reuters with the fastest duck alive. Let's go, James. Congratulations, everyone that won. And let's go. Okay, now let's look at the market. Let's see what the market is doing. And go ahead and send me that email, guys. I'm sorry, Clyde. I totally butchered your name there in the end. I called you Kyle probably 5 times. Oh man, I couldn't help it. It was my default. What the heck? I just got an email that I can no longer be an affiliate with My Funded Futures. Feels bad. All right. Okay, boys. What is this market doing? We need to... Looks like, I mean, this is just holding. This 640 level holding. There is definitely no reason to get short, but also not really too excited about getting long. I think we just chilling. Am I the only one who can't believe Nutty is born in 1983? Hey, I will take it. You know what? When I was 21 years old, I'm not kidding. When I was 21 years old, no one believed me. Everybody thought I was 16. Now it's finally becoming into my benefit. My age, it's finally having, it finally is helping. It's fine, smoke screen. It's fine. We'll talk to him. I'm sure he'll be fine. But I have, to be fair, I don't mind. I think it's fair. I haven't really been promoting my fund of futures either, so I think it's fair. We'll get it. It's be fine. My age caught up to my looks in my 30s and 40s. Uh-oh. You got married at 21, Ace Undercover? Let's go. I got married at, when did I get married? 26? I kind of forget. Hmm. Whoa, that's the rip lower that's what we were waiting for and being wary of what's happening. That Trump must have tweeted. Trump must have tweeted. Everybody run for the covers. Everybody bail. Oh, the days and the times we live in. Trump must have tweeted 300 away from passing 325Ks. Good luck, Orlando. Nope. More tariff. Somebody said something. Oh dear. That's too funny. I'm telling you what, this market is actually comical. Oh, it's too funny. Too funny, man. Looks like we're getting bought up again. But that was the dip. That was the dip down below that 600 level. That's kind of what I was looking for, but I want to see. We need to see a little bit more volume here. That was a big volume. That was some major volume on that push lower. See this? This volume was. That was crazy. Crazy volume. Could be in for a bigger move lower here. I'm afraid. I am not touching this. We are not doing it. Man, I tell you. I don't know what that was. That has to be some kind of news or something. Federal layoffs are likely if too few employees choose to quit. I love that. Hey, if you don't quit, you'll get laid off. You choose. Jump and Z are not speaking on Tuesday. Okay. Something happened. I assume it was one or the other, but right now I'm targeting, I would say the VWAP here. is what we gotta be careful of. But oh man, I am so glad that I stopped trading. I am now so thankful and glad we were patient. That is exactly what I was afraid of. Now I'm really curious if this just continues to bleed lower now. I'm totally fine now. Just lock in the green, call it a day. Oh, really, Scott Trades? I've been there, man. We've all been there. 653 was key to hold. Look at this. Like, isn't that crazy that it came up, touched our level here at the 680s. We're about to have a 100-point move lower from these levels. I don't really trade off of these levels, but maybe I should start doing that. And we bounced right here. This move didn't really have any reaction to it. And look at that. Now down below the 580s. It is starting to feel interesting here. Definitely don't want to try to catch a knife. Don't want to be trying to catch a knife here. All right, James and my selfie mirror. I got your emails. Thank you. I will reply now. I'm still waiting on the email from Dimitri. Dimitri, are you here? Are you here, Dimitri? You do need to be here in order to collect your prize. If you're not here, just say so. Hey, Dimitri's here. Can you send me an email with a screenshot? Let me check. You already have 10 PAs. Just pass 10 more evals, wondering if to activate them or see if I make it to payout. I would, Citizen Zero, in that scenario, I would try to get to a payout first. You have 30 days before you get rebuild on those. So you can give yourself 30 days to try to get to a payout on the 10 PAs that you do have. And I would do that. I think you're going to trade better. And you're going to almost trade a little bit with a little bit like that you have less pressure, which is always good. Like the more that you can just try to right, Citizen Zero, but I don't think, like, if you can get a 20K payout, I don't think, I don't think that would be bad either, right? You would take that. You got GAT to man. That helps. That's great. Scott Trade or Citizen Zero. Dimitri, did you send me an email? I'm still kind of interested. I mean, we might bounce off of this 600 level. I wouldn't be surprised, but I'm also very this 530 area, the 520 area might be a magnet here. If we continue to, if this 600 level does not hold, then I do think we have a chance to go test that 530 area. Hey, how has my day been, Dan? I've had a great day, honestly. We've had a great day. We reached 15,000 subs. We're all green on our accounts. Honestly, a great day. We are having an awesome day. All right, Dimitri, are you still here? I still don't have an email. Kind of want to get this done before we do our next giveaway. We're going to do some Apex account giveaways as well. 3 hours to make 300 and 2 seconds to lose 600. Oh, tell me about it, Francesco. Now that is very frustrating. Hey, Dan, you were on the PW Live when he called you. Yep, that was pretty awesome. Ugh. All right, let's see if this 600 level will hold. If you blow an Apex eval on a rebuild day, it doesn't reset. Oh, that is actually information that I did not know. Go ahead and trades. Now I learned something new today. That's interesting. I did not know that. Yeah, Kyle. Or Cly. I keep calling you Kyle. I'm sorry. I had one of my accounts denied. Does Apex tell me what rule I violated for payout denial? I mean, they will tell you like improper risk management, but not specific, Lawrence. Unfortunately, no. Great day for you as well, Amakre. Let's go. That's awesome. You love to see it. Rad Poker, did I win? Unfortunately, you did not. And there it goes. Let's see if we go down below this 6. Look out below, folks. This thing is not done. Like if we get a stop hunt here, I was a little concerned because of this was some pretty big volume. And then we just didn't have that big rip higher like we usually do if it's a stop hunt. Let's see what happens if we get close to this 530 area. I prefer a daily loss limit to this ridiculous trailing drawdown. Is there any way to make Buellnox accounts act like Top Step? I don't trade that much with Buellnox, but I don't think so. Hey, Dimitri. Thank you. I got it. Okay, we can all right, we can do, you know what? I want to kind of wait here. I want to wait a little bit. I want to see how the price reacts here to the 520s, 530 area. It's just it's crazy how predictable it seems like it has been. Like the last, I want to say ever since January 1st. It just seems like it's so predictable where we have a move higher in the morning session and then around 11:30 to 12:30 we just roll over. Like it's getting bad enough to where I'm actually going to start trading. I'm actually going to start just trading that type of strategy that as soon as 11:30 to 12:30 runs comes around, you just look for bearish setups and you take them. But of course, you know what happens once you do that one too many times. Has anyone gotten their 10 to 9 from Top Step yet? I got mine. Oh, Pine Tree. So Buellnox does have an end of day option. There you go, Peter. There you go, Peter. And we continue lower. It does seem like we are going to test this VWAP. From the 680s down to the 580s. Just 100 points. A little bit more than 100 points. Any more? 100 points on NQ. Just really not that big of a deal. It's kind of crazy to say that, but it's true. Okay, guys, let's do another giveaway. We will also, I'm going to wait. We'll do another giveaway tomorrow as well. But we have officially started another giveaway for the next 10 minutes. Exclamation mark Nutty Bar. And we will have another duck race. If you want to get in, this will be for, we're going to do the top 5. Actually, no, let's do the top 4. We'll think, let me think about it. Maybe we can mix it up a little bit. We have some Apex accounts so we're going to give away. Any size accounts, but they do have to be rhythmic. Mm. All right, market getting a little bit of a bounce here off the 560s. I mean, I'm actually tempted here to take a short entry. If we get a short entry here, I might take it. I like the retest of the testing the VWAP at least. Possibly testing this 520. At the same time, I'm like kind of okay just walking away with where we're at today. Can you explain 30% negative drawdown on Apex? Yeah, so basically whatever your account is at the, let's say you have a 50K account. If you have a 50K account, you have it's 30% of the drawdown, which is 2,500 drawdowns. 30% of that is 750. So if you enter a trade, just don't let a trade go into drawdown more than 750. Okay. So if you get close to like what I would recommend, if you get $700 red, take the loss at 700 to allow yourself a little wiggle room on slippage. And if you like take the loss, and if you really like the trade and you want to continue trading the same trade, just exit and get in again. That's simple. Then you won't violate the rule. But don't, if you keep holding past 750, it goes into 850, then the chance of getting denied increases significantly. Okay, getting a bounce here. Now I'm definitely not interested in a short. Hey, fellow Ohioan. Let's go, Jason. I'm actually excited to be back in Ohio, and we'll be back in Ohio. Oh, about 2 months. 2 months from now, we will be back in Ohio. I'm excited. I'm definitely looking forward to. I don't miss the weather. I miss our home and family friends back home is what I miss. Is that after your trailing stops on the 30% rule? No, so the 30% rule, once you're above the threshold, then it shifts. No, once it's double your drawdown, then it goes to 50%, but that the 30% consistency rule is different than the drawdown rule. I had 25K accounts. 30% was 450, but my trade closed at 473. I'm sorry, I mean, honestly, it might be okay. You might be okay, but you might not. That's a 50-50. So, and it is frustrating. Not gonna lie. KO Trey, yes, we have a giveaway. We will be giving away Apex accounts. The giveaway will be ending in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, let's see. I mean, this is technically where I could get in short right here. Is it worth it? Is it worth? I just don't know that it is. I'm just not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to get in a trade, sit through drawdown potentially, take a loss. I don't think it's worth it. I could size down. I could. But to be honest, if this market was just continuing higher then I would be more interested, but in continuing to trade. But this is kind of what I did not want to see, because we could continue to lower, but we could also just rip straight back up. Just feel like I just don't want to do it. It's not worth it. Some of you guys, it's worth it. Don't do it. Exactly, Dimitri. It just isn't. Like, once you're green, it's like, you know what? It's just not worth the pay. It's hard enough some days to get to green. I feel like some days we do have it a little bit twisted, though, because when we're red, we want to keep trading till we're green, but when we're green is when we stop trading. But I don't like going from green to red is the worst. All right, guys, you got 30 seconds. 30 seconds left, and then we will do... This will be a giveaway for Apex accounts, any size account. It does have to be rhythmic. So, it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. But yeah, this is starting to look like we're going to rip it. She's going to rip it higher. See that? Now I think we might rip this thing. Maybe. All right. It is over. You can no longer be entered in the giveaway. Sorry about your luck. You better luck next time. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this. Here we go. Wait, what? What? Close entries. Why can I not? What is happening? What is going on here? Did my Streamlabs break? Okay, here we go. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, here we go. Hang on, give me a second. I need to get... All right, here we go. We're going to pick 15 names. 15 names. Good luck, sir. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. First name is going to be Horizon Trades. There you go. Next name is going to be Memes and Fun. Congratulations and good luck. Next one is going to be Canto Trading. Good luck, sir. Hey, look at that. Red Poker. Red Poker is in the race. Let's go. Official. It can't be rigged. Jose, congratulations. Good luck, sir. And we have DM, let's go. Next name is gonna be Robert Rod. Good luck, sir. All right, here we go. Next name is going to be, hey, Cycling Grandpa. You love to see it. Good luck, sir. Next name is going to be Wendy L. Wendy L. Here we go. Next name's going to be, hey, look at that. Coach Captain Crunch. Coach Captain Crunch. Here we go. Now we got to take out 5 names just so we can add 5 more. Don't worry. Okay, here we go. Next name is Kitty Sandra. Good luck, ma'am, I assume. Here we go. Next name, Cinema. Cinema. Good luck, sir. Or is it Sin EMA? I don't know. Here we go. Next name, Mr. Seabuzz. Mr. Seabuzz. Congratulations and good luck. Next name, Trades by Johnny. Okay, let's go, Trades by Johnny. Good luck. Here is the final name. Final name is Stephen M. Stephen M. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here are the names. You should see your name here. Let's go. 2-minute race once again. All right, we got to crank up this sound. Actually, give me a second. Let me see if I can get the sound to work. Okay, I think it's working. All right, let's try it. Where's Ponzi? Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Oh, we need to determine what's the deal. Let's do, you know what? Let's keep it simple. We can do more giveaways, but for now, let's do just the same thing. First, second, third place will get a code for the Apex giveaway. Any size account, but it does have to be rhythmic. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. And they are off. Here we go. We have another Batman duck. We've got the green duck, Stephen M, starting out strong, taking a length lead. Horizon Trades. We got Robert Rod here, close second. We got Mr. Seabuzz trying to make a move. Rad Poker is going to be a very familiar name. Can he squeeze out the win? Now I'm going to tell you guys a secret. You're going to want to reserve that energy. Don't waste it all in the first half. Here goes Robert Rob now. Here comes Cycling Grandpa as a strawberry trying to make a move. Here comes Memes and Fun. Takes the lead with 1 minute and 10 seconds to go. Cycling Grandpa now trying to make a push. It's Horizon Trades with the lead by a nose hair. And now here comes Wendy. I personally am cheering for Wendy, just like the ring of her name. Here comes Wendy taking the lead in first place. Horizon Trades trying to get it. They're nose and nose. They're neck and neck. They're Bill and Bill. Here we go. 45 seconds to go. Here comes Kitty Sandra trying to make a move, and she takes the lead with a half a length, and we got 35 seconds to go. Where's Rad Poker? Rad Poker all the way in the back of the pack. I don't know what he's waiting for, but it's time to get a move on. Here comes Cycling Grandpa trying to make a push into the lead. Cycling Grandpa just fell down. He just broke a leg. He's out of the race. Here comes Jose. Here comes Robert Rod trying to make a move. 8 seconds to go. Who is it going to be? Carlos is hanging on, but here comes Conto Trading, Stephen M. And there you go. It was a photo finish for second place, but Canto Trades takes the win. Rad Poker, I don't know, man. That was pretty bad showing. I'm disappointed. I would take that duck back out, and I don't know. I think I would maybe make some stew. Anyway, here we go. The official results. We have in third place Stephen M. That was a photo finish. In second place, we have Robert Rod, and rounding it out in first place, we have Canto Trading. Congratulations and better luck next time to all the others. Where's Rad Poker? We need to find out. Where did he actually finish? He finished in 9th place. I mean, I guess it could have been worse. He could have been Captain Crunch or Cinema. Wendy L. Man, Wendy, where was actually Cycling Grandpa? did make a comeback, but Cycling Grandpa literally, he hit a stone or something and he just went, I mean, he went flying. He just absolutely fell over. And he had it in the bag, man. All right, guys. You need, for those first, second, and third place, please send me an email and I will get you that code, the codes for free Apex accounts. Let's go. Thank you, Apex, for supplying us with some free accounts. And we will have more giveaways tomorrow. Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch. I'm sorry, man. That was pretty bad showing by you. Might need to get more training. Those ducks need more training. What was the point when you decided to copy trade? I got 16 PA accounts and nowadays getting scared to put size across all. Honestly, consistent trader, if you feel scared, then size down and go to maybe 2 to 3 copy trading accounts. Like copy trade only 2 to 3 accounts. If you feel scared, that is a sign that you shouldn't trade that many accounts. So it's okay. You don't have to copy trade all accounts. It's totally okay. What copier do I use? I use the Replicanto trade copier is what I use for copying my trades. Okay. Very nicely done. Thanks, everybody. Yes, send, wait, did I? Yes. If you, Stephen M., Robert Rod, Canto Trading, send me a screenshot of your YouTube channel. Make sure it's you. I'll get you the codes and we will go from there. Cycling Grandpa needs to train better. Oh, hey, you tried. You tried. The Dallas Cowboys have been to the Super Bowl more recently than I have been in a duck race. That's funny, Go End Trades. Hey, imagine, it could be worse. It could be worse, Go End Trades. You could be a Browns fan. What happened first for you, copy trading or getting a nice payout? Honestly, consistent trader. So I was actually pretty stubborn and I kept copy trading and I was copy trading before I was ready. And I feel like that was a large part of why I went a full year without a payout. And I actually shifted and I changed to not copy trading. And I traded my accounts individually. And that's when I started getting payouts. Since then, I've grouped them back together and copy traded. But honestly, I had more success with one at a time until you kind of get that monkey off your back, get some payouts, alleviate some of the pressure. You can always go back and then copy trade later. But if you copy trade before you're ready, it really can be a catastrophe because, you know, one bad trade and blowing all those accounts is not a good time. It's not fun. Can you quickly explain the opening 3-minute trade before you leave, Neil? I can. It's very simple. Basically, at the opening of the 3-minute candle, if we are more than 5 points above the opening price, I take a long and vice versa for a short. And then I look to get out either at prior resistance levels or I get out at the 15-minute closing, at the 10-minute closing candle and the 15-minute closing candle. Hey, thank you, Robert. I got 4.5K payout last year, but no payout this year so far. There you go, consistent trader. I mean, it shows that you know how to do it. You've done it before. It's all about mentally. If you feel like you're ready, if you feel like you're ready to copy trade, it's okay to give it a try, and it's okay to fail. Where it's not okay is continuing to just do it again and again, and continuing to fail is where it's not okay. Like if it continues to fail, then just do something different. And size, you know, go down to copy trading only a couple accounts. But okay, guys, I'm gonna call it here. There's no need to give away profits here. I'm gonna call it a day, and we are gonna walk away green and yeah, another step in the right direction to a payout. And we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully do it again. And thanks again. Awesome stream. Thanks for the 15,000 subs, everyone. I really do appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And you really has changed, honestly, changed my life. I can actually say that. And it's the truth. And I am very thankful. So take care, everybody. I appreciate it. And we will be back tomorrow morning. Take care and God bless.